I wake up around 1 or 2 in the morning and I cannot figure out why. Or sometimes they simply say, I don't even have heartburn. My sleep is just terrible. And that last one really is the trap. Because you do not need to have classic heartburn to have reflux affecting the upper airway. People with LPR often complain more about throat symptoms than chest burning. So they go to sleep medicine for the apnea, ENT for the throat, maybe GI later on for the reflux, and nobody actually ties the whole picture together.